You're so cute.
Don't you want me like you want to, baby? Don't you need it like I need you now? See you tomorrow at the night, go crazy. All you gotta do is ask me, feel like that.
Oh my god. Ang dami mong pasakali, anak ko. What are you going to do?
I'm going to eat strawberry.
How to eat strawberry in Japan, sweetie?
First, we're gonna wash strawberry.
Really?
Yes.
Yes. And?
Remove the green one.
Oh, I see. And then?
Get a condensed milk.
What's that?
Condensed milk.
Oh.
Get the strawberry. Dip on your condensed milk.
Wow!
And Yummy.
Yummy.
Nasaan it, mommy?
Nasamit tiraman na?
One.
Wow! Kaya tam. Wow! Nagdadakkel mo ata yung strawberry. That's too big, sweetie. Wow! Yes, ganito pong kumain dito sa Japan. Yung strawberry, dinidip nila, nilalagyan ng condensed milk. You like it, sweetie?
Yes.
What is your favorite fruit?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
Kunak no, binalsig na kiwi. What?
Papaya.
Naimas.
Well, mommy.
Naimas ka no kakabsat kayo tan. Good job. Tinilmunan. Ngal-ngalam anak ko.
Yes, mommy. It's big.
Big? Yeah. Wow.
Naimas kakapsa. Yummy. Agyaman at money. Thank you so much, everyone. I am your Ilocana Princess Serena. I love you all.